Frying up some bacon in a frying pan can be a real pain. But I got a trick here that I've been using for a while, is you take a baking sheet and you put some tinfoil on it, and then you put your bacon on there and bake it in the oven. I got the temperature set to 375 degrees, and we're going to cook it for about 20 minutes. So it does take a little bit longer to bake it in the oven than to cook it in a pan, but you don't have to deal with it splattering all over the place. All right, let's check it out. Oh, there it is. All right, now I'll show you what to do with all the grease. You want to get one of these grease strainers, and then you can actually reuse the grease if you want, or you can just use this to dispose of the grease. But I'll show you how this works. So I just like to take the bacon pan here and grab onto the corner real good, and then use the tinfoil there kind of like a funnel, and then just pour that grease into this container. Now this is kind of the subjective part. Depends how you like your bacon. If you like it a little floppy, then it's just about done. But if you want to make it a little crispier, you can put it back in the oven. I think I'm going to put it back in the oven for about another 5 minutes, but that's totally subjective. This bacon looks good enough right now. You could eat it if you wanted to, but it looks a little too floppy for me. I'm going to put it back in here for another 5 minutes. So yeah, it strains the bacon grease, and then if you want, you can use it for cooking. It'll be nice clean bacon grease in there if you're into that kind of thing. If you're not, then you could just use this as a storage container and then throw it away when you're done. Because bacon is a lot of fun to make, and bacon is a lot of fun to eat, but it can be a real pain to clean up. And we're really not having much cleanup. The stove isn't trashed at all with grease. Even the oven doesn't look that bad. Most of that grease, you could see it just stayed in the pan there. And then we dumped it in the, this is the name brand of this thing. It looks like it's a Chihee bacon strainer. I'll go ahead and put an Amazon affiliate link in the description if you want to check it out. All right, it looks like it's done. Oh yeah, that looks really good. I just like to take the bacon and put it over on some paper towels when I'm done, and then just kind of let it sit in there to sop up some of the grease. And then once this cools, we can just throw it away. Still a little bit warm, but we'll let it cool for another few minutes, and then I'll toss it. I'll just crumple it up and throw it away. Now you can just crumple up the tinfoil and throw this in the garbage, and your pan doesn't hardly take any cleanup. And then this goes in the trash and doesn't end up down your sink clogging up your drains with grease. Pretty cool. You can just throw this away. There we go.